Yeah, ba ba da ba dum ba, bum bum bum, chicka ba, bum 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 bum. Yeah, sing it with me in 1, 2, 3, and I love myself enough to keep some space from you. You don't control me anymore. No, I'm not the old me. Now I'm my own me, and I'm so aware of all the toxic things you do. So you can leave me and believe me that when you see me, I'ma be the free me. Cause I'm free, freer than I've ever been. I'm me, living in my element. I won't be under your control, no, not anymore, baby. You'll see me like I'm heaven sent. I feel alive when I'm irreverent. I won't be under your control, and you won't see me no more. I love myself enough to keep some space from you. You don't control me anymore. No, I'm not the old me. Now I'm my own me, and I'm so aware of all the toxic things you do. So you can leave me and believe me that when you see me, I'ma be the free me. Because I choose to be free. Because I enforce the boundaries around my energy. Cause I choose to be me. I won't surround myself with people that will steal my inner peace. You gotta choose to be free too. And be careful with the people that you give your energy to. They say they love you, but they hurt you. So make them wait, give them space, tell them patience is a virtue. And certain people in your life, they won't respect it. The same ones who can get rejected. And if they steal the peace inside your cerebellum, you know what you gotta do. You gotta sit them down and tell them I love myself enough to keep some space from you. You don't control me anymore. No, I'm not the old me. Now I'm my own me, and I'm so aware of all the toxic things you do. So you can leave me and believe me that when you see me, I'ma be the free me. Cause I'm free from toxicity, and I'll be the happiest me that you've ever seen. And I'ma rise from the ground like a rose from the seed. I feel beautiful whenever I protect my energy. Sometimes you gotta make space from fake people to breathe. So when you see me, I'm happy just being me. And when you see me, yeah, I'ma be the free me. Cause I
have been trying to find the start of this hike for an hour. No joke, I couldn't find it at the camp spot I was at, and I had no internet to look it up online. I walked around the whole campsite to try to find the entrance, couldn't find anything. So I packed up and drove to a different area, hoping to find it. And I've just been like walking through the bush on a track that's like kind of a track. Ooh. But I found it. Abbott's Falls walking track that way. Okay, I'm so glad I'm going the right way. I was scared.